We're going to demonstrate installing a water-to-air heat exchanger in a typical home's forced air system. See the installation guide that came with your outdoor furnace for more details. This updraft furnace has a fan on the bottom blowing up through the indoor burner system. There may be an air conditioner coil mounted above. Mount the heat exchanger between the fan and the air conditioning coil so the heat exchanger will not freeze when the air conditioner is being used. Measure the furnace plenum on the installation side and choose a water-to-air heat exchanger that fits correctly. We offer many different sizes of heat exchangers to fit your application. Measure up at least 4 inches from the top of the furnace and mark 4 spots for reference points. Drill 4 holes as shown. Be careful and use proper gloves and protection when working with the sheet metal, as it is very sharp. Use a tin snips or a jigsaw with a metal blade to form the hole by cutting the sheet metal. If a jigsaw is used, vacuum up any metal shavings. Prepare a shelf or base with angle iron brackets to support the heat exchanger. First, measure and mark holes where the slotted angle bracket can be mounted, making sure they are level from front to back. Drill the holes in the plenum for mounting the brackets. Attach the brackets with the bolts, ensuring the brackets are level. Then tighten the bolts. Repeat this on the other side of the plenum. If you are using slotted angle iron, use foil tape to seal the air gaps. Finally, slide the heat exchanger in place. Use foil tape to seal the gaps in the plenum. Contact your dealer for professional installation if desired.